Let's now discuss the mysterious H gate, the first gate you'll encounter that has 4 lines and not 2 lines. This has both vertical and horizontal lines, meaning that it also changes the direction and also at the same time can add a color, and the color is red. This is what makes the H gate interesting because first off, it is dividing the value of the sigil by square root of 2. So each time you add another H gate, you get another division by square root of 2, and so on and on and on. And at the same time, it has the power to do something like this, thanks to the color red here. If it would be anything else but that, then this would not be able to happen. So it would not be reversible. Now, interestingly enough, if you add a complex number, so if you add I to the mix, you will get the situation in which the 2 sigils will no longer collide according to color legend, but they will have both colors. That's because a complex number is formed, the real and imaginary part add together, they have to be expressed differently. Right, in this situation, we want to remove the color. How can we go about that? Well, it's quite simple. If you watch what happened before, basically we just need to make sure this second H gate is cancelled out. Quite straightforward, nothing complicated. Okay, now we have the continuation of the previous algorithm. Now we want to be able to flip. How could you flip this? Well, if you remember in the previous module, green with green will make red. And once we are able to enter the color of a H gate with red, then the red will go on the other side and will kill on the 0 state. And that's how you can solve the puzzle here. Right, this shows that the more H gate you add, it turns into a Rick and Morty situation. Basically, the universe keeps splitting. So square root by 2, 0.71, square root by 2, 0.5, and the third H gate, another square root of 2, 0.35. This keeps on going lower and lower. And again, you need to think again that each qubit is represented by a column. And in this situation, we see clearly that the lastmost qubit has a 0 and 1 at the same time. Both the left qubits have 0 and 0. So this means the left qubit and the middle qubit have to be annihilated so that only the last qubit has 001. So let's watch that again. This is quite beautiful. Observe how they added together, right? Always 2 reds with 2 blues on each side, and we're left with everything that's on the third qubit, which means the single H gate is left out.